Do you know why the fried small fish in restaurants is so delicious? In fact, there is a trick. Some people use flour and some people use starch, but these methods are actually incorrect. Today, I will share the restaurant's method that ensures fried small fish turn out golden and crispy and stay crunchy even after a long time. Follow my video to learn this step by step. Today I'm using small chicken fish, which is quite affordable. All we need to do is add a little salt, pour in the right amount of water, and wash the fish twice. This will remove any dirt inside the organs, making it safer and easier to eat. There are many kinds of small fish, so you can choose your favorite based on personal taste. Place them in a large bowl. Next, take a knife and make 5 or 6 cuts in the thickest part of each fish. Once the cutting is done, place the fish back in the bowl. Now, prepare a piece of ginger and crush it flat with a knife. Then, take a handful of scallions, chop them into small pieces, and mix them with the fish. Add a bit of cooking wine and a little white vinegar, which add 2 spoons of salt, 1 spoonful each of 5-spice powder, white pepper, and black pepper, 58 pieces of Sichuan pepper, 1 spoonful of 13-spice powder, and 1 spoonful of chicken essence. Wear disposable gloves and mix everything thoroughly, then let the fish marinate for 30 minutes. Next, prepare a small bowl, crack 2 eggs into it, and beat them well with chopsticks. In another container, mix 2 spoonfuls of flour and 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch in a 1-to-1 ratio. This flour mixture is the key to crispy, delicious fried fish that stays crunchy. Set this aside for later. After 30 minutes, remove the green onions, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorns from the fish. Coat each fish evenly with the flour mixture, ensuring the fish belly and all sides are covered in a thin, even layer. Place the coated fish on a tray and set them aside. Heat oil in a wok until it reaches 70 degrees hot. Gently place the fish into the oil one by one. Avoid flipping them immediately. Let them set for about 1 minute. Once the surface is set, use chopsticks to gently flip the fish to ensure even cooking. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and share it. Thank you so much. Fry the fish over high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the surface is golden and crispy. For smaller fish, 5 minutes may be enough. Once done, remove the fish with a slotted spoon. Increase the oil temperature, then return the fish to the oil for a second fry for 1 to 2 minutes. This step ensures the fish stays crispy for longer. The fried fish will be golden, appetizing, and full of flavor. Remove the fish, let the excess oil drain, and place them on a tray. Sprinkle with cumin powder, chili powder, or salt, based on your preference. These crispy fried small fish are so delicious that even the bones are edible. They're a hit at every New Year's dinner, brightening up the table for both adults and kids. While a similar dish at a restaurant costs 58 yuan, you can make a big batch at home for just 10 yuan, delicious and affordable. If you've learned this recipe, give it a try at home.